So guys, ये है Samsung का टैब Samsung A9 Plus. So this is like I don't know the password, even customer also don't know password. So now I'm gonna actually hard reset Samsung Tab A9 Plus. So let me show you. First we have to connect with the charger, and then we have to press power button and volume down button. We have to press and hold until its screen goes black, like until it power off. Release once, and we have to again press volume press button. So need to hold until it go recovery mode. So now we can do wipe data factory reset. So this is done. Just now we have to do restart Samsung A9 Plus. Getting your tablet ready, this may take a few minutes bro, only few minutes. Either से hold. By the way, our tab is ready. There is no password, no FRP, nothing. So it's fully unlocked and reset. This is how we have to do.